What are the differences between a duck and a swan? Ducks and swans are both waterfowl, but they have several distinct differences in terms of physical characteristics, behavior, and habitat. Here's a closer look at the key differences between ducks and swans. Swans are much larger than ducks, with some species, like the mute swan, weighing up to 30 pounds and having wingspans of up to 10 feet. Swans also have long, graceful necks which are often curved in an S shape. Ducks are smaller, typically weighing between 2 to 3 pounds, with much shorter necks. Their body shape is more compact, and they have a more rounded appearance compared to the elongated elegance of swans. One of the most distinguishing features of swans is their long, curved necks. This long neck helps swans reach deeper into the water to feed on aquatic plants. Ducks have short necks in comparison, which limits their ability to reach deep underwater. Instead, ducks typically dabble near the surface for food. Swans are generally more territorial and can be quite aggressive, especially when protecting their young. They are also monogamous and mate for life, with pairs staying together for many years. Ducks are less territorial and are often more social in larger groups. While some duck species may form monogamous bonds during a breeding season, many ducks do not mate for life, and their relationships are often more seasonal. Swans are typically quieter than ducks, with some species, like the mute swan, making hissing or snorting sounds rather than vocal calls. However, trumpeter swans can make loud, trumpet-like calls. Ducks are more vocal, with the well-known quack being their signature sound. Female mallards, for instance, are known for their quacking, while other duck species may make whistles, grunts, or coos. Swans prefer larger bodies of water, such as lakes, ponds, and slow-moving rivers, where they have space to swim and fly easily. They are often found in more secluded, peaceful environments. Ducks are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of water bodies, from lakes and rivers to marshes and small ponds. Ducks are more likely to be seen in urban areas or smaller water bodies compared to swans. Swans are primarily herbivores, feeding on aquatic vegetation. Their long necks allow them to reach underwater plants that ducks cannot access. Ducks have more varied diets depending on the species. Many are omnivorous and eat plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. They often dabble near the surface or tip upside down to feed. Swans generally live longer than ducks, with some species living up to 20 to 30 years in the wild. Ducks have shorter lifespans, averaging around 5 to 10 years, though some species in protected environments can live longer. These differences make swans appear more elegant and majestic, while ducks are often seen as more versatile and widespread waterfowl.